What is going on, dear tech lovers? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cassian, and today I'm going to show you how I managed to use my smartphone instead of my laptop for basically everything. For doing PowerPoint presentations, for writing text documents in Word, for basically searching the web, anything that I would normally do on my laptop, I do nowadays on my smartphone. And this has basically two reasons. First, I don't need to carry my laptop on trips, and second, it is so simple that everyone can do it. And how I managed to do this is with this little adapter right here. This is a USB-A to USB-C adapter by Aukey. And I do need to say I had two of these types of adapters before and none of them worked as good as this one. So you get two in a package and you pay €5 on Amazon for it. If you want, I'll leave the link in the description. And what I mean by I use my smartphone instead of my laptop is, with this adapter you can connect your mouse, your keyboard, even your Xbox controller. You connect basically every USB device with your smartphone. And if you have a smartphone that is good enough, like I have my, my Huawei P30 Pro, which is the X flagship from Huawei. It has a great processor and I can do everything with it. But most people are uncomfortable with writing long text documents on their phone because they don't like the keyboard. And the solution to that is basically taking your normal PC keyboard and connecting it with your phone. Then you have both. You have a small little device which is your phone, and you have your keyboard, so you are still comfortable with typing longer texts. And to show you guys how well this works, I'm just going to zoom in on this. And over here, for example, you can see my wireless mouse. I'm just taking my wireless mouse. Over here we have my smartphone. Connect this with this. Then you plug in what you need to plug in. And as you guys can see, I'm just going to unlock my phone quickly. You can see that I have the mouse on my phone and I can just switch sides, or for example select YouTube, go through YouTube, like do anything that you would normally do with your finger, you can do with a mouse too. And this is great. You can do the same with your keyboard as said. And for example, if you would like to game on your phone and you just search the internet and most people say like, wow, you need some expensive adapters, you need special apps or something like that. That's all a lie. You just take the USB cable that is connected to your controller and you just plug it in with this adapter. And as said, this adapter costs around a bit more than €2, but you get so many possibilities with it that it is worth every cent. You connect it and there you have it. It is this simple, and as you guys can see, I can scroll through my phone. I don't have any game to play with this right now. I can reopen YouTube, I can just scroll through YouTube, click on things, yeah, and everything is working fine. Yeah, I can go out again, and this has such a great compatibility. It is just nice to use it. It is so uncomplicated, so simple, yeah. Or for example, if you have a USB drive, and you need to basically just store anything on your USB drive, you can do this with this adapter and your phone. Just plug in the USB drive, and as you guys can see, like 3 seconds, and you just got it over here. You can access everything, you can just copy it, and you are not demanding on your laptop anymore. And this is great about this adapter. So I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to get one of those. It just helped me out so much, so I want to share this with you guys, because maybe one of you guys would love to take your smartphone instead of your laptop with you, but they don't know how. So this is the way to go, and I absolutely recommend having one of these because it just helped me so much. I wanted to share this with you guys. So if you liked the video and if I somehow managed to help you, consider subscribing, like my video, and stick around for more tech stuff, people. And yeah, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.